What are you doing? Kayla! Say!
Making a video for Todd. Hi, Todd. What's up? Not much here.
We'll do a rap for him.
Okay. We can't. We need Hartford.
Oh, yeah. We'll show you when Brooke's here.
Yeah, she's doing it.
Want some milkshake, Todd?
Hi, Todd. What's up?
I really don't like this close up.
Want some
Get away from me, fag! Don't touch me.
Oh, you big. Want some milkshake here?
Yes.
How about a double cheeseburger?
Oh shit, Christy.
I hope you're having a nice day in Twillingate.
That was a beer.
Scared to living.
Look at me.
Todd, remember not to smoke.
What?
No
smoking time.
Now wait. I was gonna go in the guy's bathroom and be like, "Don't you miss this place?"
I love Jess.
That was creepy. I mean,
And Jesso, too.
yeah.
And Kayla.
Why is there Christy, one of your hairs got on my scrap?
I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, everybody say goodbye.
Me.
Bye, Todd.
I love Jess.
You're supposed to be saying goodbye to Todd. You're supposed to say goodbye.
I wish the camera would get out of my fob.
Say goodbye, Frank. Goodbye!